topic of our presentation today will be on the concept of English language based on an e-learning platform known as e-knowledge Center. Okay.
Introduce yourself. Your name. Oh, you introduce.
I picked it.
Okay.
Yeah. So why e-knowledge Center? The aim is actually to create awareness of the importance of English. So right now in Malaysia, we have a problem with this, as you can see in all the newspaper articles. We have a very low proficiency among all groups of ages, and also the importance of the English language in the business sector. So many of us fail in that segment. Right. Next, we are using an education-based web marketing to create revenue for our organization. We'll be using an MLM-based distribution model. Right. So as I said just now, why English, our standards are pretty low. Right. So there's a gap in Malaysian market for education-based network marketing business. Why I say there's a gap in Malaysia? There's no other network marketing companies that concentrate on the education segment for when it comes to e-learning platform. None, except for one player, which we'll get back to that later. And our product is one product, English language software. So why network marketing? So as per during recession, network marketing is proven to be recession proof. Alright, we can see this data which was obtained from DSA. DSA is a Direct Selling Association. So the blue dot represents the network marketing businesses, whereas the yellow dot represents the frontline retail stores. So you can see from 2003 to 2006. So there's a spike. So MLM is known to be recession proof. Next. Alright, this is a business canvas model. It's actually a strategic management template that is used to evaluate existing or new business models. So our key partners in this segment will be our agents, who will also be known as our partners or resellers. They will be our frontline sales models. Right. Secondly, will be our IT provider. It's a one-time cost because we are using them to develop our software since it's an online platform. Third will be our education sectors that concentrate in the SME segment, such as small-scale institutions or language centers. Key activities. We plan to create an interactive learning module. See, most of the online courses we see nowadays are just very dull or mundane. So ours we plan to use something like animation concept in order to grasp the attention of the younger audience. What is different from us is we will provide certifications for every level, such as level 1 or level 2, and our consumers will be able to get into any level based on their understanding. Third will be licensing. Licensing comes under, say we need past year education papers. In Malaysia, we have to apply for a license to use those past year papers. There's a cost attached to it. Value proposition is our attractive material, definitely. Besides that, our product is affordable. We'll talk about price later. Besides this, we create income opportunity for our consumers who wish to join us as resellers as well. So we are tapping the two markets. One is the education sector, which is worth online education sector, which is worth about $16 billion in Asia alone. Alright. Thirdly, we'll go on certification. As explained, not even our competitors have certifications attached to their products. So we'll be doing this by collaborating with a certain body to provide this. Customer relationship comes in like how we gain or retain our customers. This will be done through seminars or trainings. And due to this, because MLM is a very sensitive segment, public perception has to be changed. So therefore, trainings and seminars. We'll be setting up business clubs or communities, and also the general feedbacks in order to upgrade or tweak our product. Customer segments will be our parents, Gen Y people looking for additional income, and students definitely. Key resources will be capital in hand, which is 40,000 pounds. So we convert that ringgit will be 2 to 4,000 ringgit. Followed by human expertise. Human expertise, this will be teachers who will create our modules and our content, of course. Right. Channels, our sales channel will be online sales, will be done through advertisements or SEO, search engine optimization. Seminars, WMM, and the MLM community. Cost structure is the cost for the platform, which is a one-off cost, 50,000 ringgit. Our packaging cost for our kit and salaries and commission. Revenue stream, we only have one product, so we focus on the one product. It will be based on referrals for sales of our kit. Next. Competitors in this segment. See, Malaysia is, not even Malaysia, globally, we are affected by these big companies such as Amway and Herbalife. They dominate this segment. But you can see, they only deal with beauty and health products or fast-moving consumer goods, if you put it. In this segment, there's only one competitor in Malaysia, which is known as CDI, International Sdn Bhd. But they deal in all subjects, so we are niche. We focus on one. We can provide our undivided attention to that one product, whereby they focus on up to 14 subjects. And their cost of entry is almost 2,000 ringgit compared to us, which is 700 ringgit. Why 2,000 ringgit? Is because they are able to pay more commissions, but we are focusing on volume, so we're going to be lower until we are prepared to gain a full MLM license from the board. Yeah. Besides this, CDI does not provide certification, we will provide certification. That's the differentiating advantage that we have. Okay? And we'll go on this later, but we are focusing on the red ocean strategy because the market is really saturated in this space. But we'll be focusing on our differentiating advantage. Our difference from competitors. So you can access this anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Okay? Very flexible, timings and English level of individual, unlike school. You can jump from one grade to another grade based on your own understanding. Certification provided. Our focus is only one, so therefore I say we are very niche. We focus on one. And we give an opportunity to entrepreneurs to profit from it based on the network marketing model. Alright, red ocean and blue ocean. So as I said, now we complete red ocean. Red ocean is is where there are many industries in a certain space has a cutthroat-like competition. That's why the term, the ocean is bloody red. That's why red ocean strategy. Yeah. The difference is to exploit existing demand. There's a demand in the market for English. We don't have that kind of product right now in Malaysia. Actually, they are, but you cannot derive an income from it. Okay, so we provide that opportunity for everyone, and our differentiation is based on that. We have an income advantage on that. That's why that's how we defend our current position compared to our competitors. Barriers for entry. This was created by Michael Porter in 1979 that assesses the 5 complete factors that affects a business. So we'll go with the first one. Threat of entry is medium pressure for us. Why medium? Most of them concentrate on FMCG products. We are focusing on the education product. Besides that, foreign companies are bound by higher regulation and their cost of entry to Malaysia is up to 5 million ringgit just for the license alone. We are not affected by it. Okay, so this is an opportunity for us to penetrate the local market in this segment. Threat of substitutes, low pressure. Consumers would be able to see the product launched by us is not similar, it's something new, something different. We have a different advantage because it's saturated already with those health and beauty products or cosmetics. Okay. Even though with the competition CDI, which is similar but they focus on too many subjects, we focus on one subject, their entry or product cost is higher compared to us. Industry rivalry, high pressure. Why high pressure? Because these big players, they have a huge capital for R&D. Right? We don't have that because we are a startup, we are limited by a certain budget which is £40,000. And the amount of publicity that they have is an advantage for the general public compared to us. So that thus giving more awareness to their product compared to us. Bargaining power of buyer, medium pressure. This is due to our cost. Besides that, we concentrate on sales volume instead of higher commissions being paid out. We do intend to pay a higher commission rate, but until we see a good projected profit for the first year. Bargaining power of suppliers. In this segment, we are not in the manufacturing sector. We don't produce, we do not manufacture. Our product is an online product. So we only have one cost, which is our platform alone. Cost of hiring teachers is a one-time basis to create content. So you only pay them once a year to create content or upgrade the modules on a yearly basis. Alright, before we get into this, any questions?
Okay.
So I'll pass industry analysis and the 4 P's marketing plan to my friend Justin.
I'll stop here.